Hello, this is Dan from the National Weather Service office in Jackson, Mississippi. This is Severe Weather Briefing for February 15th, 2023, and I'm going to talk about storms, severe storms likely tonight across portions of most of the Delta. And then once again, we could see some more severe thunderstorm activity on Thursday across much of the area. Then high pressure and dry conditions will return for the weekend. So for today, we got a cold front moving across Texas, and that cold front will approach the area this evening. And we will see increasing chances of showers and thunderstorms, especially across the Delta. But we could see some isolated thunderstorm activity a little bit further east over central Mississippi this evening and during the overnight hours. And for Thursday, that cold front will push into the area and then move across the area through the afternoon into the early evening hours. So for tonight, severe weather is likely, especially across the Delta. We do have an enhanced risk across a big chunk of the Delta. We could see damaging wind gusts to 70 miles per hour. Tornadoes are likely. Some could be strong. Could see some large hail up to golf ball size or even possibly larger. And then a slight risk that covers much of the remainder of the Delta. And then a marginal risk as you get across the Jackson metro area up into Columbus. And we also, I can't rule out at least an isolated severe thunderstorm across portions of that area, primarily later this evening through about 4 a.m. for this first round. And then for Thursday, we could see another round as that cold front begins to push into the area and across the area during the afternoon hours. Looks like we do have an enhanced risk for areas mainly east of I-55 where tornadoes will be likely, some possibly strong with damaging wind gusts up to 70 miles per hour. Hail up to golf ball size, but I wouldn't be surprised we could see maybe a little bit larger hail size than that. And then the slight risk covers much of the remainder of the area where we can see hail a quarter to a golf ball size and tornadoes will be possible further to the west. And then a marginal risk across the Delta. The severe risk for the Delta will probably end by mid-morning. And then the timing will be across the Delta areas through 9 a.m. across central Mississippi, generally from mid to late morning through mid-afternoon, and in the east, generally mostly during the afternoon hour areas over the eastern portions. And then the precipitation amounts, not too heavy with this event. Generally, we're going to see maybe ½ inch to an inch, but there could be some areas that see up to 1.5 inches of rainfall, but not a real heavy rainfall associated with this system. And then by Thursday evening, that cold front will move to the east, and that will end our severe risk during the early evening hours, and high pressure will begin to build in Thursday night into Friday morning. And then by Friday morning, skies will begin to clear, and strong high pressure ridging will build in, and that should continue through the weekend. And that's it. Thanks for viewing Weather Service Jackson's multimedia weather briefing. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call.